In this video, I will show you how to create a consulting and coaching company website in WordPress. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or already working professional, or you are someone who owns a consulting and coaching company. You can follow this tutorial to create this kind of coaching and consulting company website. To accomplish this, we will be using an Elementor kit named Life Coach. You can download a copy without license from the description of this video so that you can practice alongside watching this video. Here is the demo of what we are going to create. So this kit contains this kind of hero section that contains this video button as well, that if you will click on this video, it will open the video in a pop-up. You can replace this with a button as well, or a call to action button, and then it contains these logos and then a dedicated section so that you can tell about your story, and then it contains few other sections as well. It also contains some section to share your services, so you can use this section to tell the people about the services that you offer. Other than that, you have this YS section created here as well, and after that you have some more sections to add some more content, and then you have this testimonial section as well. This has this kind of scrolling effect that if you will scroll down, these testimonial will stack on the top of each other, and then you have this additional section. Other than that, you have this call to action here, and then this one call to action, and then a blog post section as well. So this is what we are going to create throughout this video. So if you are excited, then make sure to keep watching this entire video till the end to never miss a thing. So without further ado, let's get started now. So the first thing that you have to do is to go to this URL that I'll drop in the description of this video, or I'll directly leave the link for direct download for this kit. If you have the Envato Element account, you can go to Envato Elements and then search for this Life Coach and Mentor Elementor template kit. And then once you will see this kit, simply click on this download button here and then choose one of these recent projects, and then you can download this kit. I already have this kit downloaded, so I'll skip this step and then we can move ahead to our WordPress dashboard. So right here you can see we have a very fresh WordPress dashboard. If I go to the dashboard, you can see that we don't have any of the additional plugins installed here, and then if I go to this appearance, we do not have any of the additional theme installed here. I just have this theme. I'll delete this theme from here because we are not going to use that theme. So right here you can see that we do not have any of the pages, and then we do not have any of the posts here. So this is like a blank or a fresh WordPress dashboard. So the first thing that you have to do is to go to this appearance section and then click on this add new button, and then from here search for this Hello Elementor. And then once you will search for Hello Elementor, install this theme, the very first theme here, Hello Elementor. Click on install button and then click on the activate button as well. So once you will click on activate, this theme will get activated and it will ask you to install the Elementor page builder. So simply click on this button, install Elementor, and it will automatically install the Elementor page builder for you. So right here you can see it is asking for you to activate the plugin. So simply click on activate plugin, and once you will do that, our Elementor page builder will get activated. You will see this screen right here. Simply click on this cross icon here, and then after that you will be redirected to the dashboard again. Now from here you will have to go to this plugins section again, and then click on this add new button, and then from here search for Envato Elements. This is the plugin that you want to use, so simply click on install now and then click on activate. So once you will do that, this plugin will get activated, and right here you will see this option that will say elements. So from here you will have to go to this installed kits, and right here for now we do not have any kit installed. Simply click on this upload template kit and then upload the kit that you will download from the description of the video. So once you will choose that kit, this kit will get installed just like this, and then from here it will ask you to install the requirements. So simply click on install requirements here. This will ask you to install following plugins. So simply click on install above selected requirements, and it will automatically start installing all of these plugins for you. And then after that, click on this close button, and now all of those plugins are installed. So if we go to this plugin section, right here you can see all of those plugins are installed. So for now it is saying us that we are using a plain permalink. We need to change the permalink structure. So for that we'll have to go to this settings and then go to this permalinks, and then from here choose post name and then hit save changes, and that is it. Go back to the elements and then go to the installed kits and then click on the kit that you have just installed. First of all, click on this global kit styles import template. So once you will do that, the global kit style will get imported on your website. So if now we'll go to the website, right here you can see that the colors have already been changed. Now we'll have to import the other parts of this kit. Before I move forward, I want to install one additional plugin, that is Elementor Pro. So I'll go back to the plugin section, and then from here I'll click on this add new button again, and this time I want to click on this upload plugin, and then I'll click on choose file, and then from here I'll choose Elementor Pro, and then I'll click on install now button. So right here you can see that the Elementor Pro is installed. We just need to activate this. So I'll click on this activate plugin. By the way, if you need the license of the Elementor Pro, I'll drop an affiliate link in the description of this video. You can click on that link and then you can purchase the Elementor Pro from there. Alright, so now we have this Elementor Pro already installed here. Now I'll go back to the elements and then the installed kits. And then from here, I'll check all the templates that we have. So we have a home page, about us, services, pricing, blog, single post, 404, met form, contact, header and footer. So before we start importing all of these templates, we need to create some of these pages. So in order to create the pages, go to the pages sections on your WordPress dashboard. I'll get rid of these pre-installed pages from here, and then I'll remove them from the trash as well. Then from here I'll click on this add new button, and then I'll title the page name as the home. From here I'll choose a template. Instead of using the default template, I'll use Elementor full width, and then I'll hit publish here, and now this page is published. In the same way, I want to create some other pages like the about us page, services, pricing. So I'll create about us, services, pricing, and then we need a blog page and a contact page. So now if I click on this all pages, right here you can see that we have already created home, services, pricing, about us, blog and contact, a total of 6 pages here. Now I want to create this home page as the front page of our website. So if I now go to the website and if I refresh this, you can see that we do not have a blank page. We actually need a blank page in order to start creating our website, and we always make the home page as the front page of our website. So for that, go to this settings and then go to this readings, and then from here choose a static page and then choose home. Click on this save changes. In your cases, make sure this should not be checked. In my cases, I'm using this checked because I do not want to index this website. So in your cases, this should not be checked and it should be like this. From here, if I go back and if I refresh this, now you can see we have a blank page that have this site title and a footer. So now I'm back here in the dashboard. From here, what you want to do is to go to the templates and then go to the theme builder. From here, go to header and then click on add new. We always start creating website from header and footer. So I always create header first. So that is why I clicked on the header. You will see this window here. Just click on this close icon. And then from here, click on this green icon. Here you will see the kit that we have installed. So I'll choose the kit, and from here I want to find the header template. So right here we have this header template. I'll click on this insert template right here, and right here you can see that our template is successfully imported on our website. Now we'll have to only publish this template. For that, click on this publish button and then make sure you choose a condition. Click on this add condition button and make sure you choose entire website so that our header should be visible on entire website. Now if I go back to our website and if I refresh our website, right here you can see this is how our header is looking. Alright, from here I can assign a menu to it. For now we haven't created a menu, so let's just quickly create a menu. For that I'll go back and then from here I'll go to this appearance and menus, and then from here I want to create one menu. I'll name this one as primary menu and then I'll click on create menu, and then from here I'll click on this view all button and I'll choose home, about us, blog, contact, pricing and services, and I'll click on add to menu. From here I can arrange these menu items. So I want to bring the services below the home page, and then I want to bring the pricing below the services page, and then I want to keep the about us, blog and contact, and then I want to make sure that I have chosen the display location as header, and then I'll choose save menu. Now if I go back to our website and if I refresh this again, right here you can see now we have all the navigation items that we have just created right here in the menu. So this is here, all the menu items are looking. Now I should be able to click all of these items. So if I click on this services, right here you can check that this is the services page, and then this is a pricing page, this one is the about us page, and so on and so forth. Now I'll go back and this time I want to create a footer template. For that I'll go to this templates and then the theme builder again, and this time I want to click on this footer and then I'll click on this add new button right here. So once the Elementor page builder will get loaded, I'll click on this green icon again, and then I'll choose the kit that we have imported, and then from here I want to choose this footer. So I'll click on this insert template, and we'll just have to wait until this template will get imported on our website. So right here you can see that the footer template is successfully imported. We can click on this publish button and then you can choose a condition again. Make sure you choose the entire site and then click on save and close. Now if I go back to our website and if I refresh again, right here you can see this is our footer and this one right here is the header. Now I'll go back to this post again, but before I go I should update this, and now I can go back to this post, that is the footer template. I'll rename this from Elementor footer number to simply the footer. And now if I go back to the theme builder, right here you can see we have a template for header and a template for footer. I'll close this, and now we can finally begin with creating the different pages on our website. So I'll go to the pages section here, and first of all let's create the home page. So I'll click on this edit button right here, and then I want to click on this edit with Elementor button. Make sure you choose the Elementor full width as a template here, and then click on Elementor full width, Elementor page builder. So once the Elementor page builder will get loaded on the page, click on this green icon again and then choose your kit. I want to choose this home page template. So I'll click on this insert template button, and once you will click on insert template, the template will start getting imported. This may take some time depending upon the number of sections that you have on that page. So you will simply have to wait until this template will get imported. So right here you can see that our template is successfully imported, and this is all the section that I showed you in the demo of this video. So it is taking some time importing all the images, so you will just have to wait, and then what we can do is to simply update this. And then if we go back to the front end of our website, and if I refresh it this time, you should be able to see the layout of this page. So right here you can see the layout of our home page. We have all the different sections that we saw in the demo of this video. Some of these images are not appearing properly, so we'll just have to check them and we'll replace them. So right here I'll go back to the pages section again, and in the same way I want to import this about us. and the blog, contact, pricing, and services. I have opened these pages in a new tab. So I'll click on this edit with Elementor on all the pages, so that all the pages should be opened in Elementor all at once. Now on the about us page, I'll click on this green icon again, and then I want to choose the about us page template. So I'll click on this insert template, and then we'll just have to wait. Till the time we are waiting, we can move to the next page, and then we can import the template for the blog page as well. So here is the blog page. I'll click on this insert template. For the contact page, I want to choose the contact page here. So right here we have this contact page. I'll click on this insert template. For the pricing page, I want to do the same thing. So I'll choose the pricing page template from here. Here we have the pricing, and then the services page. I want to choose a template of the services page. So here is the services page. Now if I go back, right here you can see that the about us page template is successfully imported already, and it contains the FAQs and every other thing that I showed you in the demo of this video. I'll click on this update button, and then for the blog page, this one is already imported. It is not showing any of the post here because we haven't added any post. I'll show you how to add a new blog post into your WordPress dashboard in a moment. So I'll click on this update button here. Then for the contact page, you can see it is imported, but it is not showing the form here. So we'll just have to create a form for the contact page. I'll click on this update button here as well. Then for the pricing page, this page is fine. We don't actually have to do anything here. So I'll click on this update button. And then here is the services page that you can use to display different kind of services. Now for these images, here you can see we have this contact tab. So from here in the contact tab, you can actually change all of these content, and then you can choose the icon type as an image, and then you can choose one of the images that we have already imported. So maybe we can use this image. So I'll click on this image right here, and then for this one I want to choose one image as well. So I'll choose a different image, maybe this image. And then for this achieve potential, I want to use one more image as well. So probably we'll use a different image, or let's use this image again. So I'll click on this insert media, and then we can update this. So that now this is updated, we can go back to our website front end, and then we can check the different pages that we have imported. So right here you can see there is the services page, the pricing page, and then the about us page, the blog page, and the contact page. Alright, so now we have all of these pages imported. Let me show you that how you can edit any of these pages very easily. So in order to edit any of these pages, what you will have to do is to go to the page. So for example, we are on the home page. Click on this edit with Elementor button. So once you will click on edit with Elementor, the Elementor page builder will get loaded on the website. So in order to edit any of these things, simply click on this pencil icon, and it will open this content for you. You can change this content by simply clicking here and typing in your own content. So you can type in your content here. So in this way you can replace it with your own content. I'll just bring it back what we had initially here. Now in order to change this one with a button, let's just copy one of the button from the other section of this page. So I'll copy this button from here, and then I'll go back on the top, and then I'll insert that button right here, or maybe we can insert this button right there. And then I want to get rid of this video icon and then this watch video as well. And then from here I want to make sure that I choose the box template, and then we can adjust the width of this section as well, so that it should look aligned. Alright, You can also change all of these images of the different logos that are initially here. In order to do that, simply click one of these logos or the logo that you want to change, and then from the media library you can upload your own logos. So in order to upload your logo, click on upload file and then click on select file, and then choose any of the logo that you want to upload and then select that logo as well. You can also change this content here, and then this one is the image, so you will actually have to create an image, and then you can choose and choose a different image for this section. All of these things are editable in the same way, so I'm not going to get in details at how you can edit all of these things right here in this kit. So I'll update this one right here. So by the way, if you need a website for your consulting company, you can reach out to me using my email address or my WhatsApp number. You can find that number in the description of this video. So right here you can see here is this section. So let me just show you that how you can add a different blog post on the website. So I'll copy some of these blog posts from the original demo website that I showed you. I'll open a couple of these posts in the new tab, and then I'll go to the WordPress dashboard of our website, and then from here I'll go to this post section, and then we can actually copy the title of this blog post. I want to get rid of what we initially had, so I'll click on this add new button, and then I'll insert the blog post title. I want to copy the featured image as well, so I'll save this, and then from this right side panel click on this featured image, and then you can insert your featured image here, and then you can click on set as featured image. Then from here, this is the content of the website. I'll simply copy this blog post from here, and then I'll insert or paste this blog post right here. So right here you can see these images are showing in this way. I'll click on this update and publish, and now we have this blog post published here. So if I show you here, so for now it is looking just like this. I'll show you in a moment that how you can change the layout of this blog post here. So but before, let's just add a couple of more blog posts. So in the same way, I'll copy another blog post, and then I want to copy the content of this blog post as well, and then I'll paste the content. I'll save this featured image, and then I want to insert this featured image right here, and then I'll click on this set as featured image, and then I'll hit publish. After that, I want to click on add new one more time, and then I will copy the title. I'll save this featured image, I'll add the title, and I'll click on set featured image. I'll upload the featured image, and then I'll click on set featured image here, and then once again I want to copy the content of this blog post as well. One thing that I forgot to mention here, you can also assign the different categories to the blog post. So for example, if you want to create any new category here, simply click on this add new category and then choose a category. So for example, this blog post is about the positive thinking. We can create a category about positive thinking, and then you can click on this add new category, and now this post will be assigned to this positive thinking category. Simply click on this publish button, and now if I'll go to this all post, right here you can see we have this positive thinking as a category, and then we have these blog posts here. I want to assign these two blog posts to the positive thinking as well. For that, I'll click on this quick edit, and then from here I'll choose positive thinking, and I'll uncheck this uncategorized. I'll do the same thing here, and then I'll hit update right here. So right here you can see we have 3 different blog posts, but if I open this blog post in a new tab, you can see the layout is not correct. So we just need to import one layout or one template for the blog post. For that, go to the templates and then theme builder, and this time you want to click on this single post, and then click on this add new button, and then from here click on this green icon, and this time from the templates we want to import a single post template. So click on this insert template button right here, So right here you can see we have this template already imported. This template is not looking fine, don't worry about that. Simply click on publish, click on add condition, instead of all singular click on post and make sure this should be all, and then click on save and close. Now if I go to our blog post and if I refresh this one, right here you can see we have a different layout or the template for our blog post. So in this way you can change the template of your blog post as well. Alright, I wanna go back to the theme builder again. I want to show you one more thing, and that is if by mistake anybody will add a different page name, there should be a 404 page appear. But for now you can see we haven't set it up a 404 page. That is why we have this default content here. We just need to change this to a 404 page. So for that, go back to the templates and then theme builder, and this time choose the 404 and then click on add new. Now once the Elementor page builder will get loaded, we just need to click on this green icon and then choose the kit, and then from this kit we just need to insert this 404 page template. So click on this insert template. This should start getting imported, and right here you can see we have this template. So instead of this back to home button, I want to add a URL here, and that URL should be the home page of our website. So I'll simply copy the URL of our website and I'll insert it as a link, and then I'll hit publish, and then as condition this should be the 404 page, and then click on save and close. If I go back to this page again and if I refresh this one now, right here you can see now this is the template of our 404 page. If someone will click on this back to home, they should be redirected to the home page of our website. Alright, now the last thing that I want to show you is that how you can import the contact form for the contact page of our website. So for that, what you will have to do is to go to the Met Forms, and then from here click on next step, and then once again next step, and then next step again. Keep doing that, and then click on save changes. So right here you can see this is the dashboard of our Met Forms. Go to the forms section, click on add new, and name this one as contact form. Then you can choose any of this thing from here. I'll keep this one as general form, and then I'll click on edit form. So once you will do that, the Elementor page builder will start loading again. Then from here click on this in auto elements, click on this kit, and then we want to insert this template, Met Form contact. Click on insert template, and this form should get imported here. Now click on this update button, click on update and close button right here, and then right here you can see this is our contact form. Now I want to go back to our website and then go to the contact page, and right here you can see here is our form. If by any chances you do not see this form here, click on this edit with Elementor button right here, and then click on this widget and then click on edit form, and then make sure you choose the form that we have created and then click on edit form, and then you should be able to see the form that we have imported. Simply click on update and close, and then you should be able to see your form here. Click on the update button, and then in this way you can import the contact form on your website as well. So now one more thing that I want to show you is that if we click on this blog page, you should be able to locate all of the blog posts that we have imported. So right here you can see there are the posts that we have just added in a few moments ago. Now the last thing that I want to show you is that how you can change the logo. So in order to change the logo, go to the customize button right here, and then click on the site identity, and then you can select your own logo. Select the logo, upload your logo, and then you should be good to go. I'll select this image right here, and then I'll click on select. I'll click on skip cropping, and then this should be selected, and then click on select site icon. I'll select this as the site icon again. I'll click on this crop image, and now right here you can see this is the site icon. I'll click on this publish. If this logo won't get changed, go to this Elementor and hover over this Elementor and then click on Elementor header. And then from here, click on the logo image that we have. From here, click on these dynamic tags and make sure you select the site logo from here. And once you will do that, you will be able to locate your logo that you should have added in the customizer. Adjust the width of your logo and then click on update button. And now if you will go to the front end of your website, you should be able to locate your logo here as well. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon as well, so that you will always get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.